Yo, so I welcome you back. So, I'm reminding you, this is an extraction of my bigger course. Okay, so yeah, I have already practiced on the tests. Did some try and errors there. So I will find the right one to select when it comes to the main caption. So I urge you to do the same when you are working on a project. You should try as many tests as you want, and then finally pick the one that you think is good, and then put it on the project. Yeah. So that's exactly what I did here. Yeah, of course. Then I name it caption, yeah, something like that. I will control A, then align it, then select it with control D. Okay, I have my shape around it. I select the stroke, and then I will make it three. The three is bigger. So okay, yeah, three is okay. So and then you curve the edges like so. Yeah, align it. Control A to align it. Then Control D to deselect the selection that comes around it. Then you're good to go. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to add this. Remove the stroke and then maintain a fill. So bring it here, then also the bear, then yeah. Okay, okay. Let me add the theme. I'm going to select this font. Yeah, I guess Montserrat. I guess the font is Montserrat. Okay, theme. Hope the spelling is correct though. Yeah, this I guess. And so this is okay. Align it like so. Yeah. And those of you who don't align your work, it's not professional at all. Okay, so try your best, your possible best to align stuffs. Okay, all right. So this could be your logo or anything. Okay, yes. So yeah, place this here. So then let's add some gradient images to the test. I guess. So go back here. Yeah. Control T to transform it and then flip horizontal. Okay, add some blur to it to get what you want to achieve. It's okay. Of course, do the same thing to the shape. Add some color to the team shape. It's okay. Yeah, okay. Something like that. Something like that. Yeah. You get the idea. Of course, open the tracking like 100%. It's okay. And then gently. Hmm. Okay, and that is reminding you that I have content here. So remember that you have to put the information on a note before you start your project. This is very, very important. So you just have to copy and paste and it will boost your workflow. Okay. Yeah, so that's how you then there's something like this. This is the quote. Yeah. So as I was saying, I'm creating my website and my course on my other laptop. So I use the slower my laptop, my own laptop. That's how come you are. That's how come I am fast forwarding the video, making it fast. But it's okay. My course will be in soon. Of course. Okay. It's not going to be expensive to you. And so you are going to align this with the shape. Just select both of them and align them. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and add uh, the other. This is the date. Very good. Clean. Okay, so remember we are using hierarchy here, right? So um, should they shouldn't be the same, something different should come inside so that it will help the viewers view your project well. Okay, so I added the shape to this so that I'll put my time on it. I sampled the color from the 15th. Okay, okay, all right, okay. Let's put the date inside at the time. So this is the time. Align it carefully. Very good. Then let's add some shadows to the shape. Okay, so inner shadow, it drop shadow. Then you're going to right click and create. Then manipulate using the warp. Yeah, in the warp tool. Perfect, perfect. That's very good. So this is how they make it. Okay. All right. So let's go add our venue to it. Remember, if you create, if you add a layer style to it and you right click and click on create, the layer style is subtracted from the main layer. Okay, so that we can only work on the layer style. Let's go ahead and add our location to it. Should be somewhere here. Very good. So, as I was talking about hierarchy, they shouldn't all be the same size. Okay. So, uh, yeah, do this here because I've added number to it. Okay. Okay. So if you look at the venue has different weight. Okay, test weight. So because it's medium and the other is bold. So keep it in mind. Okay. Um, group this real quick. Okay, let's go. That's it. Let's group them, tidy things up. No, don't want to find ourselves messy. So BG background. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let's add color grading to it. Have the color here. You can copy it. Okay. All right. So yeah, make sure you make the opacity at 10. Then select this one. I'm going to work with this one. Very good. So you are good to go. That's pretty much our color grading, I guess. So let me add their names to it. Align it very well. I'm not sure it will help, but I'm doing it anyways. Yeah. So let me place it exactly at the shoulder, something like here. The font, this is the font that I use. Every font I use is free here. I don't use any paid fonts, so you can also try them out. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. So I guess we are done with this tutorial. So make sure to subscribe, like, uh, comment if you must. Hit me on my DM, WhatsApp, Instagram. Yeah, peace.